Bartender Cookout is back again on August 16, 2025. If you don't remember the last cookout, I know you not go want miss this. So, lock the date and don't be late. Make sure you secure the orders from now. Bartender Cookout is the place to be. See you there.
You alright, son?
No, I'm not alright, you know. 1 week now, I have my lock up, you know. I send bag of people in my place without a warrant. And nobody don't want to talk to me.
Well, that's what I'm here to do now.
1 week later.
Better late than never. What do you say? Anybody offer you coffee or anything?
I'm good.
Hospitality around here is hard. I apologize.
Listen, the laptop when I come see at my place is not my one, you know. Somebody asked me to keep it until them come back for it.
Really? So tell me, who is this person that asked you to hold it for them? Friend? Family? Lover?
You know I'm not going to answer the question until my lawyer present.
Really? I'll tell you what. Use my phone. Go ahead. You can use it. I'll wait. What happened? Oh, I understand. You forget your lawyer's number. Don't worry about it, man. It happens to me all the time. You want me to suggest one? Or legal aid? Oh, I'm sorry. Forgive me. You won't pay for it yourself?
So what is all about? A laptop? You don't have nothing for me, you know.
Tell me something. What do you do for a living, son?
Software development. And the last time I checked, it's not a crime, you know.
No, it's not. As a matter of fact, perfectly legal. And the last time I checked, it pays well too. However, the laptop we find you with is not our concern. It's your personal machine.
How I go on? What man am I moving for?
Rest in power, Butcher. We will never forget you, my brother.
No, we never see eye to eye. But yeah, me generally hear that. Go and rest up in a Tug mansion.
A real warrior. Gone too soon. But Jav, you know, youth. So you ever go on? See you up on the other side.
What man am I doing? I'm not dead, dog. I'm there.
Hey man, they say movements.
Yeah, dog, I'm not even too like them places, you know, bro.
I want to tell you, the final resting place, all our general.
I'm not ready for rest yet, you know. So right now, just make a move, you know.
Me neither, you know, brother. Can you stay?
So what? Do you think me alone will stay over here? Don't wait for me there.
cat here.
Why not go look for a friend?
Friend.
Friend?
Alright, three we alone.
What about my personal machine?
Thank you, Agency. You know, I've often thought that I didn't enter the army. I would have been great at IT. I mean, nothing compared to you, of course, you know. But I would have been good. Do you? But you must. I don't want to teach my grandmother to suck eggs. You know that these computers have a function that records things while you're doing it? I mean, like you're hacking into a camera system and watching the 12-year-old daughter of an agent. That could be troublesome, don't you think? In these cases, you're hacking into a camera system and watching a man's house. And that can easily put you away for life.
So what do you want from me?
I want to help you. But you have to help me help you. I know you lost your father. And I know how much he meant to you. Don't dishonor his memory by winding up in prison. Tell me, who approached you to help decode the files in that laptop?
I don't know him. I swear to you. I tell him to leave the laptop at a certain place, and then when I'm done, I drop it off and then pick it up.
And I suspect that you called some unknown number?
Yeah. But he also gave me a number where if I have an emergency, him say I can contact him on this number only once. And him say I mustn't store it in my phone, I have to just memorize it. Him say I have to put it on my phone. And that is it.
Tell him you had to go underground for a while. But you're finished with what you have to do and you're ready to hand it over.
A man will always reap what him sow. Live by the weapon, you die by the weapon. Because the wages of sin is death. Too late shall be your cry.